Hello, AP Bio people. Hey, let's take a look at big idea number 3, information, specifically cell communication and how that comes about. So, when you take a look at multicellular organisms, it is necessary for them to be able to communicate throughout the collection of their organ systems. This is done on a cellular basis. Chemicals from one organ moving to another organ and sending a message. How does that happen on a cellular basis? That's what we're going to be looking at. Origins of cell signals go way back to sexual reproduction in yeast, where reproduction wouldn't happen until there were certain mating factors that were secreted by these yeast, and also some soil bacteria producing a phenomenon known as quorum sensing. A quorum is a term that's used sometimes in parliamentary procedures. Is there enough people in the parliament in this gathering for the vote or for the decisions to mean anything? Do we have enough? Is there a quorum? So bacteria have a similar kind of effect in that do we have enough bacteria here to stop reproducing? So this is common in biofilms, the stuff on your teeth. How do those bacteria know to keep reproducing? They'll keep reproducing until they sense a quorum, until there's enough. Okay. Here's an example of how that happens. So we have a low density of these bacteria. They're producing reproductive factors. Okay. High density, but not enough for a quorum. They're still producing these reproductive factors until eventually there is a biofilm produced. There's a thick congregation of all of these bacteria. They've produced a quorum. There are enough, and therefore they stop producing the reproductive factor. There's 3 stages of cell signaling: reception, transduction, and response. We'll take a quick look at the overview. Okay, first, this is your extracellular situation. This is inside your cells. Here we have a receptor embedded in a cell membrane. That is going to be the reception of the signal. Within the cell, once that signal is moved into the cytoplasm of the cell, we have transduction of that signal, usually through a pretty complex pathway, and that elicits the response of the cell. What's that cell going to do? Is that cell then going to grow? Is that cell going to reproduce? Is that cell going to produce a particular protein? These are the responses that we're looking for from our cell signaling.